Hey guys, if you want a daily refreshing juice to drink that is nourishing and so good for you, this is it. It's the watermelon, pineapple, lime, and you can put a little mint in there too. And it is so good. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to make it. So I'm going to start off by taking the peel off, and I just cut it off with a knife. Some people have a pineapple slicer, and that is fine too. Some people make a beneficial tea out of the pineapple rind, so look into that too. The pineapple, while tasting amazing itself, it has so many nutritional benefits. And do not throw away that center stem. It has bromelain. So all in all, it aids digestion, boosts immune system, reduces inflammation, it's packed with vitamin C, and it can also help with eye health. It also has cancer fighting properties and can help with cardiovascular health. I'm only giving you a limited amount of things that all these ingredients do, so do your due diligence and do your own search yourself on the internet and on YouTube. So I already have the watermelon cut up, and while I'm juicing, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you about the rest of them, the watermelon, the lime, and the mint. The watermelon, it has antioxidants, vitamins, it has a higher water content, it helps to protect against certain diseases, and the watermelon seeds help with protein and vitamin D, and it helps to keep the nervous system healthy as well, and it helps with the strength of your hair. Also, the rind, as well as the juice, has certain sexual benefits for men. So go ahead and research that too. Get you some watermelon juice and the rind. And the fresh lime juice in this recipe. It has antioxidants like flavonoids, which help neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. And it enhances immunity. It helps with your skin. And it also helps to aid digestion and can help prevent kidney stones. And mint, like the other ones mentioned, has rich nutrients and antioxidants contents, but it also improves oral health and can potentially help with cognitive function and more. So definitely research that more and all the other ingredients that I mentioned. Also, you guys, make sure when you are juicing, try to change your diet as well. Don't eat so many processed foods and junk food and all of that stuff because it does not give you all of the benefits that juicing will give if we eat all of the bad things along with it. I know you may not be perfect with your diet. I'm not either. But the more clean your diet is, the more health benefits these juices will make because they don't have to fight through all the gunk and all that. This is how much juice 2 pineapples, a half of a large watermelon, 2 limes, and a fistful of mint makes. And the next morning, all you have to do is shake. Look at that beautiful watermelon color. I cannot wait to taste it. I've had it before, of course, so I know it tastes good. But it comes with the tops with the holes in it. Got my glass straw. That is so good, y'all. I taste the watermelon, the pineapple, the lime, and just a little bit of mint. And it's just perfect. And everything is down below in the drop down description box below this video. These glass tumblers with the lids, everything, just take a look below. And also, I hope you enjoy the recipe. Enjoy. So good.